That's a little better. Hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one from Indonesia, and this is Best Walk's corn bihun. Bihun usually is rice vermicelli. This is vermicelli made from corn, and it's a mee goreng. This is their original flavor. They also have a hot and spicy. So let's do this. Then I can get out the door and walk around for an hour. So this is what it looks like. Notice it's a very fine noodle. Very fine. Takes 2 minutes. 2 minutes. We also have an oil and sweet soy, as well as a powdered seasoning. There we go. So what's going on? I regret to say that my wife's grandfather died yesterday morning on May 2nd, 2023 at around 6:30 a.m. A real class act. He was 101 years old. He was a World War II veteran. He was in the Battle of Anzio. He ended up getting stationed in Panama and getting married there and having a few kids, and then they all moved to Japan, where he was stationed after the war as well, and had another kid, and that is my mother-in-law. And then they settled in California, and that was way the heck back. I mean, think about this. He was 17 in 1938. That's crazy. That's like, wow. And just like an all-around super nice guy. His wife was super nice. At the end, he was just calling for her. It was just like, oh man. And she had died like 3 years prior. And once that happened, it seemed like I didn't think he was long for this world. But he stuck in there as long as he could. But much love to my wife and her family. They are absolutely distraught right now with good reason. He was like the patriarch of the family, you know. So it's tough. It's really tough. But he's gone, but will never be forgotten, that's for sure. But yeah. Alright, let's drain this off. Get this going. So yeah, like I said, this is made entirely from corn. And for those of you who are of that persuasion, this is gluten-free. I cut it, as with all vermicelli, to make it more fork-friendly. Come on. Here's how it looks. That looks good. Yeah. So we'll add in the base. Normally, I would have a fried egg. I'm going to try and later this week do or maybe this, I don't know. It's so hard right now, man. Doing reviews, because all I want to do is get out and walk. It's been months and months and months of crappy weather, and now that I've been losing weight, it's like walking longer distances is a lot easier. Yeah, so it's just like it's nice. So okay. Big news today. Apparently, there was a Ukrainian drone strike on the Kremlin. I guess a lot of the countries around there are saying, no, there wasn't, dude. You guys did that yourself. They're calling it a false flag, which means, like, they think that Russia did it to give them justification to their people that they want to do more blowing up in Ukraine. I don't know. That's possible. I've heard a lot of false flag theories about a lot of things, especially stuff here. But... and what else big is going on? Because this will be... I wonder, how'd the debt ceiling go for you guys in the future? Because it sounds like it's not going to happen. I don't know. They always do something at the last minute. Who really wants to look like they blew up the universe, right? No. Alright, let's give this corned bihun a try. And I'm really stoked because my wife likes noodles, but she is of the gluten-free persuasion. Look at that. That's corn. What I like about corned bihun, and what I love about corned bihun, because this is super good. It's sweet. I mean, it's moist. This stuff isn't dry as a bone, and that's great because often, I mean, rice vermicelli usually is dry as a bone, but this is not, and this is yummy. I could scarf this down, no sweat. This is really quite good. I'm impressed. Let's see. All right. Wow. This is review number 3. I gotta hurry. I really don't have the right apparatus for doing a really fitting, beautiful mi goreng. I need the fried egg. I need a lot of other stuff. I'm going to use some crisp garlic, which is actually really quite good. So there's some of that. I think a little bit of that. What I wish I had was a little, I don't know. I like mi goreng to be spicy, and this one is more sweet than spicy, but I'm pretty sure their hot and spicy will be hot and spicy, both. And here's some flake, some crush. Oh my God! And there we are. Check it out. Well, thanks for watching. Yeah, that's it for me today. I'm gonna go clean up maybe a little bit and then get out on the walking road and do what I do. But yeah, cool. This thing. Well, it seems to be working. Anyways, thanks to the folks at Best Walk for shooting this over. I really appreciate it, and it's just another one of their really good products. I haven't had anything bad from them, and yeah, looking forward to trying the next one. I think they got other stuff on the way too. I'm really excited. So yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. If you can like and subscribe and hit that little bell, it would really help me out. I'd appreciate it. All right, have a good one. Bye-bye. Where's the... It seems like my phone is awful bright. All right, bye. It's not turning off. Well, folks, I guess you're going to be watching this show forever. Well, I'm just going to turn this around and push the button right there. Bye-bye.